got me feeling like no color down this road. Don't really wanna talk.
Makala. Good afternoon. I am here right now in Tacloban City. So I am with Sir Francis. Sir Francis is called the Rockstar Trainer. He is very, very good individual. Yes. And then, yeah. Sa Manico Cruz kami. We are waiting for this Manico Bridge to light up. Actually, schedule niya karon is 6 o'clock sa Kusigan. So, dami ka na sa yate. Kaya pa may karon siya sa channel sa Tacloban. As you can see on this side here, yung body shop ito. Or na affect naman na ito sa Yolanda. Kanya ito natin yung being adventures before. And then eventually na-develop na siya. So kanipon sa mga bawal ni Sir Francis. They are our guests. And I am working with I'm Travel Shop by Rochelle Diaz. And thank you for the opportunity and allowing us to be a part of this tour. Now, our tour is 3 days. Start with the day 3. And then once we reach at 23. So karon sa muling me and then we will be leaving early and sa Palawan Island sa Bilera. So you will get to see more of the different places that we go with. I will be traveling with my guests. Hopefully this tour will be more fun. Oh, actually this will be fun, but I just send you the highlights. Yeah.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. You got me singing way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
About 1 hour. Diretso pa dito. Picture muna. Picture!
Ang lakas makamayaman kaya si Ward ang
Thank you! Picture. So yan po si Sir Warla.
Hi! Nice to be here!
Yan po Sir Francis. And the rest the gang.
Ayan ang aking mga yayamaning friends.
Say hi guys.
Hi!
Thank you. Yan, so these are the groups from the group. Mayati na yung group. We're on a yacht right now going to the Sabonico. Hi guys, I'm back. It's a surprise. See? Isiga na ang atusan naman ito. Bridge. Karon na pa sa yate, karon na sa dinner para sa mga guests, mga kaisunan. So, later on, medyo static pa na siya, di pa rin sa mo sige ng puli ng musika. Actually guys, according sa taga-diri is musika ni siya o ngit-ngit na. The last time we were here, what is actually musika? Nagluwat gani minum, but luckily for me, nakakita ko na siya no. Iba-iba na yung color no. Later on dul taga may ako na siya ipakita sa inyo ha. For now, walis ako sa mga guest, okay? So later, buyers. So, kasayang naguba dahil national connection problem, electrical problems, delete na maka-dynamic. Supposed to be kung dynamic ngayon, sa suga-suga ng siga, tapos parang laser ba, sayo-sayo, wala man sa mga friendship ngayon. That's like problema sa electrical connection. But hopefully, over time naman kung basta maglapas someone, madapat yung trabaho ba. But for now, wala na. So, dito nga pa sa tanaw, in fairness, lighted na siya. So, this is actually expected sa mga klase ng mga buwan. Klase ng mga lugar. Lagani mga kadako ka-massive ng mga lightings na doon yung mga problems. And it needs maintenance. Doon lang sa bridge, doon lang naman nila mula pa sa agi na sa boats, sa barko. Okay. Almost na hapit na. Okay so don't forget to click and to subscribe and to hit subscribe and then click the notification button niya yung mga ads.